Today I'm checking out, which I think this makes the fourth one that I've purchased of this product. And it's crazy because I bought one, I gave one as a gift to my brother-in-law for Christmas because I really liked mine. And then now both of my kids that are getting to the point where they probably need to start shaving and cleaning up, we're also getting them for them. So this one is for my youngest son, and I'm gonna go ahead and open the box so you see everything that it comes with and then let you know more about the product. All right, so this is all the things it comes with. It comes with, all the appropriate size guards, especially when you're dealing with beard, mustache, facial hair or trimming up around your ears. It has all of the appropriate sizes. Even if you're grooming in other areas, they have, size blades for all that. It also has this like small blade here, so you can get into like really small spots where you don't want to cut a whole lot, by accidentally cutting too much with the big blade. You've got this small narrow blade. Then you've got the nose trimmer head, which is awesome. I love this thing because I can't stand longer nose hairs, and this thing just gets them all. And even another set of guards right here. So you've got, like I said, a ton of guard sizes. So more than you even probably ever use, but it has them if you need them. Of course, you get the manual, you get this little carrying case, which is great. I throw all my stuff in there, throw it in the luggage when I need to go somewhere. Cleaning brush, and then you've got the actual unit. It comes with the head already on it. Now, one thing I definitely want to tell you is this piece here is not waterproof. So if you're reading it and somewhere it says waterproof, well, this piece is not waterproof. What I believe their meaning is it's waterproof when you wash it because you're only supposed to clean this. You pop this off, you clean this out really good, then you put it back on. You do not put this in water. So I luckily have not had any of these fail by putting these in water, but I did have something kind of like this from Norelco before, and I used it for quite a few years. I started grooming in the shower, which I found is so easy, but I started grooming in the shower and then I got it wet and it stopped working. So when I bought the new one, I said, no way, I'm not doing it. And I have read a few reports where people did use this in the shower and it got wet and stopped working. Some of the things people have said is like the button will start sticking and it will just turn on in the middle of the night, which would be crazy. But so anyways, it's not hard to do though. Just don't get this wet. Use it. You can still groom in the shower and everything. Just don't get it wet or have it, with the water on. But all the parts you need to clean are these. So really, there's not much of a reason to get this wet. If there gets any hair in here, which it doesn't normally if the blade's on there, but if it does, you can just knock it out with your hand or use the little brush and you're good to go. But yeah, I love these. They're small, they're compact. It's always charged up and ready to go when I need it. Throws in luggage really easy. And I mean, it just does a great job. I don't have all of these like unclipped hairs and things. It just sharp blade cuts them and it's good. So I definitely love it. For the price, I would buy this thing every year. It lasts many more than 1 year, but even if it only lasted for 1 year, I just buy a new one every year because it's a great product and I do like it. And with all that said, I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.